Lead Feeder tutorial, how to get started, online marketing and leads platform. Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel, and today I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial of Lead Feeder software, how you get started and use it for your online marketing and leads. So before we jump into our tutorial, let's first understand the use of Lead Feeder. So in simple terms, Lead Feeder works by pulling information from your Google Analytics account via the Google Analytics API and combining visitor information with IP address data. This IP address data is then enriched to show you not only the companies that have visited your site, but other information about them too. Also, this software can backload the last 30 days worth of data from your Google Analytics, so you are able to see previous visitors to your website. So, this software can really help you generate more leads by seeing which companies visit your site and more. So now we know the use of Leadfeeder. Let's go ahead and visit the site leadfeeder.com, and this is the software homepage. And here, when you scroll down, you can see that this software has two different plans that you can choose from. The Lite plan, which is for free. This is a basic version of Leadfeeder with limited features that shows the last 7 days worth of leads only. And the premium plan for €79 per month, all features included in this plan, and also a free trial of 14 days or 2 weeks. And if you did not process any payment, then automatically your account will be downgraded to the Lite plan. So to start with, just sign up here to create an account. Click on sign up button. And to start with your free plan, sign up by providing your email and create your own password here, and then click on sign up. Then after that, provide your company name, and also you need to provide your website address. So let me just go ahead and go to mywix.com to check my web address here. And I will just copy and paste it here, my web address, then continue. Then provide your name and your phone number. Then provide your rule in your company. Also provide the CRM that your company is currently using. I will just select none here and just provide if what marketing tools you are using. I will just select none here as well. It depends on you. Then select the size of your team. I will just select 2 to 4. Then give your feedback here about what you want to achieve from using this software. Then the last step is to install your lead feeder tracker to your website. And here, there is nothing to worry about if you are not a tech savvy person, because Lead Feeder will give you a step-by-step instructions on how you can properly install your Lead Feeder tracker on your Wix website. And here I can start with Wix website, but if you have different website, not from Wix, then you have different methods. You have the Google Tag Manager, HTML code, send via email, and also you have 4 other installation options here like Squarespace, GoDaddy, WordPress, and Weebly. So let me go ahead and continue with the Wix, and here you'll see the step-by-step instructions on how you can easily install Lead Feeder on your Wix website. And it's going to be the same with your other options like Weebly, GoDaddy, and others. They also give you a step-by-step instructions on how you can properly install the Lead Feeder tracker to your website. So here, as you can see, first copy the lead feeder tracker script, and this is the script here. And second, within your Wix dashboard, open settings and go to custom code advanced section. Third, click on add custom code. And then fourth, paste the tracking code. And then you can name it. For example, you can name it lead feeder and then select all pages, select place code in head, then click apply. And fifth, finish all the steps. by verifying the installation. So to verify, they will open your website to create a visit. If the tracker is correctly installed, then they will redirect you to the lead feeder in just a few seconds. So let's go ahead and try it now. So I will go ahead and go to my Wix website here. But before we go to our Wix site, I will copy the script first here and then go to your website. And from your website, from the left sidebar, look for the settings and then click on it and go to custom code. However, here you can see a message that for Wix to add custom code, you need to upgrade your site and connect a domain. So let's just go ahead here, already upgraded, and connect your domain. Click on connect now. And here we need to enter the web domain that we would like to get. So enter the web address you want for your site. It can be a domain you want to buy or one you already own or one that you already purchased. So let's try to search here for keithtestportfolio.com, and let's see if this is available. So yes, here it is. It's available. So let's try to get it. And here I really need to upgrade my plan to premium and get keithtestportfolio.com for free. Or I have a second option here. I can buy the web domain, but I still need to upgrade my Wix website to premium for me to continue in connecting the lead feeder tracker to my Wix website. So if I click here to continue getting the domain here, it will show how much it costs for me to own this domain address. So here, as you can see, for 1 year, it will cost me $15.95 per year. And for 2 years, it's going to be $14.95 per year. And for 3 years, $13.95 per year. And with that, if I will hit continue here, it will route me to provide my contact information and then my billing information. So I will just go ahead and close this. So here to continue with the steps in connecting the lead feeder tracker, I need to get domain or just upgrade my Wix account for me to get a 1 year free domain. But it will depends on what website builder you are using, guys. If you are using a different website builder like Squarespace, Weebly, or GoDaddy, then you may go ahead and try to follow the lead feeder instructions to install the tracker, because you may able to continue installing the tracker just for free. But here I will just skip the other steps since it asked me to upgrade my plan. But that's how you can easily get started here with your lead feeder account. And once the lead feeder installed successfully, then you will be receiving, or this software will start collecting data from your website for every visitors you have in your site. And you will be having the list of your visitors, and you can use that information in your email marketing or other marketing stuff. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.